Hi again. So this is part 2 of our lesson today. I don't want you to listen to this video until you finish part 1. So maybe stop if you did not finish and then go finish. When you're done, you can come back and do this video. When you are done, come back and do it. But I'm going to do it now and you can watch it when you are able to. So I'm going to go 184, take away 69. So in this case, 4 fingers. Out of 4 fingers, can you take away 9? It's not possible, right? So in this case, we have to borrow. Borrow 1 from the 8, it will become a 7, and the 4 is going to become a 14. Now 14, take away 9. You can do circles. You can count with your fingers, or you can even do sticks and then take some out. But basically, when you do that, your answer is going to be 5. And now 7 take away 6, that's going to be 1. And then 1 take away nothing, that's going to be 1 too. So now you can put your answer here as 115. Okay? So this is a lot of borrowing and it does get a little bit tricky. So you have to be really careful with it. So I will do another example for you. Here, maybe let's go down and then do one from the other pages. So let's do this one over here. I have 348, and then we're subtracting 152. So 8 take away 2 will give me a 6. 4 take away 5. So 4 fingers, can I take 5 out of it? Does not work. So I have to borrow. This becomes a 2 and the 4 becomes 14. 14 take away 5 will give me a 9. And then 2 take away 1 will give me 1. So my answer here is 196. Okay? So it's just we're subtracting, and all what we have to do is we have to borrow. And when we borrow, that number becomes 1 smaller. And then it's like we added 10 to the number we're borrowing to. So this is basically it for this section. I'm going to keep moving down, just erasing these guys. So, okay. So down here, same thing. You need to borrow. Sometimes you have to add, sometimes you're subtracting. So in here, 9 take away 2, that's just going to be a 7. 1 take away 8, it's not going to work, so you have to borrow. And then when you borrow, what is that going to become? Okay? So same thing. And then here, we're going to start with questions with word problems. So Tyler has 123 cookies. Taylor has 123 cookies. She needs 200. How many more does she need to bake? So you have to go 200, take away 132. And then here another question. So you have to read them. You have to give me the equation. For this one here, we have to go 200, take away 123 to give us the answer. And I will have to give the answer. So you have to do the word problems. And when you are all done, I want you to please go back and check your work. And down here, I'm going to put some links for you. Okay, so some videos to go over adding and subtracting to help you remember what you have to do. And if you have any question, remember you can email me and I will call you and help you through whatever you need. Thank you guys.